Bawat kwento may kwenta.
Bawat istorya, ikaw ang bida.
Kwento natin.
Kwentong Palawan! Hi mga kakwentuhan! Kung hey Pachoy!
Wow, talagang ang bilis ng mga panahon at pagkakataon. Happy Chinese New Year po sa ating lahat. Parang nakaraan New Year lang tayo, tapos ngayon Chinese
Another
New
New
Year
Year.
At ang Filipino-Chinese community rin natin ay isang patunay na ang Palawan talaga ay best. Kasi kumbaga for the longest years ay dito na sila nanirahan.
Yes, that's right. And isang mainit na pagbati po mula sa amin at sa buong pamahalaang palalawigan ng Palawan sa pamumuno ni Governor Dennis M. Socrates.
Welcome po sa another episode ng ating Kwentong Palawan. At syempre hindi na natin patatagalin pa. We all know that Palawan is globally acclaimed as
Yes.
the best, 'di ba? Kumbaga
Yes na yes.
wala ka nang pwedeng itapat doon best na 'yun. Kumbaga superlative na siya. So kaya nga maraming panahon, maraming pagkakataon na hinirang tayo, we tagged as the world's best island.
Yeah, for several
for
times
several
now.
times. So with that, kasama natin ngayon, of course, the Palawan Tourism Council, ating President Sir Rix Rafols.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank
And
you, Sai.
Ma'am Andrea Trinidad.
Good
ang ating,
afternoon,
Board of
everyone.
Directors. And I think si Ma'am Andrea is in charge with social media and marketing and promotion.
Yes, marketing and promotions.
Grabe, bigati na ating guest ngayon. Talagang kung ano man yung pwede natin mapag-usapan ngayon, masasagot nila. No? At saka very timely ng episode natin ngayon kasi meron tayong malaking event
Yes.
na gagawin for
Kaabang-abang.
next first week ng February. Alright.
Yes. Di ba, we are the world's best island and marami na talagang napakambak-kambak dito sa Palawan and marami rin ang dito na piniling mag-retire. Pero marami pa raw tayong mai-offer. Kaya naman may upcoming Travel and Trade Expo. Take it away, Sir Rex. Ano ba yung Travel and Trade Expo na yan?
Thank you, Chini. So, we're so happy to announce this.
Yes.
No? It's happening on February 5 to 7, this 2025 in Glorieta Mall, in the Activity Center, in the middle of Glorieta. So, sobrang daming taong pupunta dito. We are calling it Palawan, World's Best Island Travel and Trade Expo. We want to promote, we want to keep on top of mind yung Palawan. You know, we've been number one.
Yes.
Ayaw natin ng bin lang. We want to keep being number one, right?
We should not be complacent.
Yes.
That's right.
The idea here is very simple. We want Palawan to be the premier destination. And when we say premier destination, hindi sinasabing mahal. Ang sinasabi natin dito is whatever you want, whatever you think about, kung anong gusto mong adventure, gusto mong leisure, gusto mo ng food, gusto mo ng history, gusto mo ng culture, Palawan has it. So
Palawan has it all.
whenever you think, you know what, gusto kong magbakasyon with my family, or mag-outing kaya kami ng ating workmates, or just weekend warrior tayo. Spur of the moment, Palawan ka agad. Kung ano man gusto mo, we have culture.
Yes.
We have history. Ang dami nating mga pagkain na mula, ang kagandahan ng pagkain natin, mula Luzon hanggang Mindanao, Visayas, Mindanao, nasa Palawan. Hindi mo kailangan mag-travel ng malayo to get all the food kasi ang dami nating mga cuisines dito. Tapos we have international cuisines pa. Ang dami ng mga expats, ang dami ng mga foreigner na mga kaibigan natin na nagbalik, pumunta, kambak-kambak sa Palawan. Nagandahan siya. Sabi niya, you know what? We want to stay here. So we keep promoting. So yes, February 5 to 7, 2025 at Glorieta Mall, Palawan, World's Best Island.
We're so excited. Ma'am Andrea, thank you very much muna ha. Kasi nandito tayo ngayon sa Wanderlust Bed and Breakfast.
Kaya
Thank you
ang
very
ganda
much to
ng
Ma'am
ambience.
Andrea.
Yes. So, ito
Napagbigyan
yung
tayo.
testament nung comeback virus. Kasi hindi naman ako taga rito, di ba? So, dahil sa akin pag-comeback dito, kaya nagkaroon ng Wanderlust. At sinabi nga ni Sir Rix, ang dami nating mga choices dito di ba? So here sa Wanderlust, dahil ako ay Bisaya, proudly, meron kaming humba, di ba? And mga
Wow.
ibang dishes na Bisaya.
Ang galing.
And I just want to add, sobrang daming choices dito sa Palawan kasi we have 1,780 islands. So maybe even in our lifetime, di natin kayang ubusin yung bisitahin yung 1,780 islands, right?
And even us, no, since we are actually working sa provincial government, may mga hindi pa namin nakukumpleto yung 23 municipalities.
Oo, hindi pa
Diba?
nalilibot lahat.
Hindi pa nalilibot lahat. So, Ma'am Andrea, tell us more about the world's best island. Ano yung aasahan ng mga tao dito? And bakit excited na gawin ito sa Manila?
Yeah. So we're offering the best of Palawan,
Palawan's
no?
best.
Kasi so hindi lang tayo world's best island in terms of kaganda ng ating environment,
That's
but
right.
we have the culture, ang diverse ng ating cultural heritage dito, 'di ba? Dami nating mga tribal communities, yung ating ilan ang UNESCO World Heritage Sites natin.
We have two already.
Right?
Yes,
Yeah.
oo.
And then we have the Tabon Caves where the oldest Homo sapien in Southeast Asia was found. So sobrang daming amazing. And then you have yung mga adventures, right? You can do trekking, you can visit a lot of waterfalls. So napaka-diverse talaga ng offering ng Palawan. And we did this 10 years ago in 2015. The idea is to introduce Palawan to the world and we were very successful in doing that. Na naging top of mind destination ang Palawan. And we want to
Okay.
keep that, as sabi nga ni Press Rix, hindi has been but always will be the top destination in the
Yes.
Philippines.
Yeah. For several times now, we've been declared as the world's best
Yes.
island. The first time was in 2013. We reclaimed it in 2017 and panibago po nung 2020 and
Oo.
even in 2024 kabilang po tayo sa world's
Ang
best.
sabi maliit na bagay.
Bagay na lang.
Oo.
Ano pong target audience nyo sa ating trade and
Travel and
trade
trade.
expo?
So, primarily yung mga gusto magpunta ng Palawan and of course, yung mga businesses, mga potential investors dito sa Palawan, yung mga mahilig sa mga sariling atin, no? Yung mga produce ng mga locals talaga, hindi yung
Support
mga imported.
local.
Yeah, we support local. Ayun.
So, Sir Rix, correct me if I'm wrong, since World's Best Island, initiative lang siya ng Palawan Tourism Council. So, yung makikita natin doon, like showcasing and featuring Palawan. Wala tayong ibang kasama.
Ito yung maganda dito eh.
Oo.
Tayo yung star of the show.
Wow.
Yes.
You know, whenever we join kasi mga travel expos, mga trade fairs, it's always with somebody.
Yes.
Of course, as one, no problem. But for this expo, that's why parang goosebumps actually. Kasi sobrang star talaga. Isipin mo sa buong Ayala Center, sa buong Glorieta, doon sa nag-iisang travel and trade expo, Palawan lang. So we're bringing in lahat ng mga establishments, lahat ng products, lahat ng tao ng galing Palawan. We're so happy actually to bring the Palawan ensemble, no?
Yeah.
Yung dance.
The Palawan dance and some of the
Galing. We are so excited kasi ang co-presenter natin dito, organized by Palawan Tourism Council, but this is really a brainchild of the province of Palawan, no? The government of Palawan na to really bring back yung Palawan as top of mind. So we're bringing in yung Palawan Dance Ensemble. And whenever I see that, grabe, sabi ko, ang ganda,
galing.
ang gagaling.
Ang galing talaga.
And tayo pala nakakita. Gusto natin makita ng lahat. Pag pumunta na yan sila doon at nakaschedule sila pag during the prime slots, mga
Yeah.
6 p.m., 7 p.m., pag madami ng tao doon sa area, sigurado akong matutuwa yung mga tao. Sabihin nila, wow, hindi lang pala beaches, hindi lang pala magagandang scenery, may talent, sobrang dami din pala ng talent ng taga Palawan. So, yun ang
That's
excited kami. Kasi,
Really exciting.
madaling ipakita yung picture na maganda yung beach. Madaling pakita yung souvenir. Pero yung talent, you have to watch it. So, we're so
Yes.
happy that the Governor, Dennis Socrates, has given us that chance to bring that to Metro Manila, to Makati, where sabi nga nila, alam nyo, na kausap lang namin kanina yung ating tumutulong, si Tita Kim, by the way, JK Events. Siya ang tumutulong na sa event natin. sabi niya 500,000 daw
Per
ang
day.
foot traffic in Glorieta. Per day, imagine that. Imagine kung gaano kadaming tao ang makakita sa talent ng Palawan. Ganun, no?
Ay, really exciting, no?
Yes. Aside from that po, so what to expect? Ano po yung mangyayari? So tell us more about the activity. Since the opening will be on February 5.
Five.
Yes.
So
Oo.
may mga ano pong aasahan natin? What to expect for the
Sige.
activity?
So, grand opening will be at 3 o'clock. It will be graced by Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Yes.
She has confirmed already.
She has
So,
Yes,
talagang
yes.
excited
Oo.
din kami kasi hindi siya maliit, no? Maliit na event, no? Even the
Yes.
secretary herself is joining us.
DOT Tourism
Wow, salamat po sa
Oo.
support ng
This is
DOT.
also, I'd like to mention that this is also supported by the Department of Tourism. They sponsored our B2B. Oo. So, yung DOT Mimaropa. Yun. So, very exciting, no? Even yung mga buyers natin from Manila, they're also really excited already because they know talagang ang daming tao gustong pumunta ng Palawan.
Ngayon pa lang, ma'am, congratulations na sa
Thank
inyo
you.
sa
Thank
Palawan
you.
Tourism
Oo.
Council, no? Kasi nakikita ko na yung success ng event na to. And I really appreciate po yung mga efforts nyo for this. Kasi, di ba, marami po sa mga kababayan natin, bread and butter na nila, yung
That's
mga
right.
tourism-related work. And so, this will help, yung elevate yung tourism in our province. No? But we're well known, but we have to keep going in
Yes.
promoting our, world's best island.
Yes, and livelihood
Kasi-
din. Oo.
And speaking of that, Sai, ang kagandaan dito, we're not just bringing in hotels. We're not
Yeah.
just bringing in yung mga travel agencies. We're bringing in our products.
Products.
So we have also partnered with DTI Palawan and DTI Mimaropa. So they're bringing in a lot of our trade, a lot of our MSMEs. So lahat ng mga tubong Palawan products, such as souvenirs, such as Surkasuy, such as yung
The beer.
beer. May sarili tayong beer. May sarili tayong mga wine. Lahat to, kesang nandito lang, dito mo lang mabibili. Mabibili mo doon. Mapropromote natin. Makikita nila that Palawan is not just a one product province lang. Puro kasoy lang ang naiisip. Hindi. More than just kasoy, we have a lot of products. So, ang dami. Nakakatuwa kasi well-supported tayo. And then, our smaller industries, kasi nga, ang ginawa natin sa Palawan Tourism Council, especially with the support of the province of Palawan, mababa lang ang rate natin para mas madaming makasama. Kasi yun yung problema sa ibang travel and trade expo. Masyado mataas, mabigat. Hindi tayo makapunta.
That's
So
right.
with this, dahil tayo to, dahil we want to promote Palawan, we want to encourage more people to see us. We brought in a lot of people from Palawan. We brought the entire Palawan. Kulang na lang buong Palawan. Dalhin natin doon.
You mentioned earlier, sir, 2015 nung una niyo siyang nilaunch. So, this is gonna be the second time.
Yes.
So, it's the first time din na dadalhin natin siya outside.
No, the first one was also in Glorieta.
In Glorieta rin.
We really chose Glorieta because it's in the central business district of Metro Manila, di ba?
okay.
So people who go there, kasi nasa hub yan ng MRT, very
Yeah.
good yung location niya. So yung mga
Strategic.
tao na nagpupunta doon, talagang they have the capacity to buy. So yun yung mga, kaya natin sinadya talaga na Glorieta because there were other malls who offered to us at a much lower rate. But we took Glorieta because it's a very strategic location.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
I'm sure, ma'am, marami tayong ma-entice ng mga domestic tourists dyan. So, wag po maging dayuhan sa sariling bayan. Come visit Palawan!
At siya nakakatuwa na yung effort ng Palawan Tourism Council. Siyempre, kasama rin ni Sir Rix and Ma'am Andrea, iba pa nilang mga officers and members and board of directors. Nakikita ko sa mga post nila, laging kaliwat kanan, hindi napapagod sa kung saan yung mga activity, events, and even meetings, conferences, hindi
Very
pinalalagpas. Very active
Yes.
talaga. So ngayon pa lang po, we congratulate you na dito sa,
Thank you.
sa activity natin. And we hope, ano po ito, yearly na siya, nagagawin natin. Ano po yung ating mga target na time frame, let's say yearly ba, after 2 years, ano pong...
Actually, we've been talking to yung sanggunian ng Puerto Princesa and hopefully we get to talk to the provincial also. that at least every other year para makaprepare tayo
Yes.
ng mas matagal na panahon. I hope naman hindi another 10 years bago masundan ito, no? But of course, with the push natin, lalo na yung Tourism Council, I don't think it will take another 10 years. Hopefully, we can do it as soon as possible. Excited na kami sa part 3, don't worry. So, in the works na rin yan. Tapusin lang muna natin yung 2. Let's put all our effort. But don't worry, we're already thinking about how to make the 3rd even bigger and better.
Pasabog.
Ako, I confirm may participation eh. Sasama ako sa Manila sa February 4. But with that, again, February 5 until 7. Alright, sa ating mga kakwentuhan, hindi sapat ang 10 minuto, Chin, para pag-usapan natin ang the best ng Palawan. Ako, talagang napag-uusapan pala natin kanina with Ma'am Andrea and Sir Rix. Kumbaga, ang sarap ng pag-usapan ng Palawan, ano?
Siksik, liglig,
At
at umaapaw. Kaya doon, abangan ang aming part 2 ng episode na ito.